how to buy RISER token. So this token came under the symbol of RI or RIS. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on with this token, make sure to check the RISER account and keep following updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, they repost this post from the L Bank account. As you can see, this here is coming soon to L Bank. So MetaRise is a metaverse on M20 chain where drones build a smart and sustainable city merging nature and tech. So stay tuned until they list this token on their platform, and you can be able to buy this token on their platform. So I will show you an example so how to buy this token if it's listed on L Bank. So make sure to log into your account first. So I will show you an example by USDT. Now type the token name and now make sure to select the pair that has the USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now it's easy and simple. Just click on limits and here you can type how much you want to buy that token. So here you will be able to see the amount that you should pay of that USDT on our account. Now click on here on buy RIS. Now if you select the market, it's easy and simple. You can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on our account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy RIS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.